Today's customers love it when companies go out of their way to personalize their messaging for each and every one of them. Imagine if you could record and send personalized videos to each customer. High impact, but super time-consuming, isn't it? Well, say hello to Gan.AI, the generative AI video personalization platform that allows you to record a video once and then use AI to create thousands of personalized videos in seconds.
Hi, Linda, you forgot your face wash in your car. Hi, John, you forgot your moisturizer in your car. Hi, Connor, you forgot your soap in your car.
Here's how it works. Upload just one video to Gan.AI. Select the words in your video that need to be personalized. Could be the name of a person, location, designation, or anything else you want changed. Hit generate, and Gan.AI will create multiple copies of that video with the same voice and lip sync. In a world where users are bombarded with so much noise everywhere, Gan.AI will help your brand stand out and build a human connection with every customer. We're already seeing some of the most innovative marketing campaigns in the world executed using Gan.AI.
Hi Sam, how you doing? Hi Rohan, how you doing? Hi Anapreet, how you doing? Thank you so much for all your love for MI on Instagram.
Atul, I hope you're having a delightful day. Kamal, I hope you're having a delightful day.
Hi James, welcome. I'm Dr. McKay. We're very excited. Hi Harry, welcome. I'm Dr. McKay. We're very excited. Hi William, welcome. I'm Dr. McKay. We're very excited.
Rush to Prakash Enterprises store. Rush to GP Telecom. Rush to City Collection to unfold your world like never before.